Before I got into the trades, I was serving for many years, and after COVID hit, I decided to get into something different. And so I went to Ideal to learn some new skills, something that I felt was going to be more useful in the long run, and if anything, like a pandemic ever happened again, that I could still have work. I just said that don't push it yet because you're going to get my fingers. Thankfully, after I left the school, it hasn't been very difficult for me to find work. So since I left Ideal, I started doing handyman work for a little while. I was repairing drywall, doing a lot of painting. I even got hired out to fix ceiling. Then that led me to my now boss calling me and asking for help a few days out of the week. And now I'm working full time for him and I'm doing HVAC. Push it. Yeah, go for it. Something that I never would have anticipated, but that's where I'm at now.
The right saw to work on these.
Some of the life lessons that I've learned from being at the school would probably be to not doubt myself so much, and that working really hard, it really is worth it. In regards to like using my tools, I definitely feel I have a lot more confidence. I don't feel like I'm questioning how to use anything anymore. I've gotten a pretty good understanding. When I remember when I had first started at the school, I couldn't even pick up the saw because it was so heavy, and it was the hardest thing to even swing a hammer. And now to see like I can just use my saw like it's nothing and use a grinder like it's nothing. So definitely the confidence, it's built that up for sure. But you can see they have their cabinet up now. Ideal set up a really nice way of learning, right? So we all had to learn to work with each other. We all had to be considerate of another trade. But I have found working in the trades and not being at the school, I can understand why just coming in to work on the trades, just like as your first job or something, it can be really difficult because sometimes people don't really have a lot of patience. And you also see where some trades, they come in before you. They're not cognizant of the fact that sometimes they're doing things and it's going to affect somebody else. So Ideal definitely taught me that. And it's definitely something that I see outside of the school. Just hold this up. I do believe that I could have gotten these experiences somewhere else, but it would have taken a lot longer. Especially with the fact that like probably depending on where you want to go, it might be more trade specific. Ideal helps get you started with a little bit of everything, and it happened in only 6 months. So it's really good to at the very least have a small foundation of what is to be expected. They gave me the tools and the foundation and literally the tools to, be able to do this, but just to feel comfortable and confident doing it. And I'm glad that I went to the school because I have all those little pieces of knowledge now and I could go anywhere in the future.